Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will take you through one of the trade that is running recently around 1 or 2 days back. It is about ZCash and ZEC token. We know this privacy coin is gaining a lot of attention. That is where the money is flowing and that is where you can make money by trading the token with an edge. And in this video, I will break down my setup. Of course, I covered it in my Telegram community. If you want to join it, you can click on the link below. It's a community of crypto traders that is helping each other grow in the right direction. And of course, I will explain the complete setup, my profit target, my stop loss, and of course, my entry, and when I'm planning to increase or scale my size. So, with that, let's kick off. Let's talk about Zcash and make money trading ZEC. Now, before I begin and take you through the detailed setup, if you are new here or watching the video for the first time, I suggest you should subscribe to my channel and make sure to press the bell icon to keep watching my daily updates on crypto trading, and make sure to join my trading community. That is where the knowledge is. So with that, let's start Zcash and make some good money. So you are looking at the chart of ZEC weekly chart, the Zcash coin, and see here its meteoric rise starting in the month of October, then scaling up to November. It started at around $40 to $50 and now at $700, which is massive for the one who invested. Now you can see this clearly green candles which are very bullish, and then you see these two candles like this one and followed by this one. Now, as you can clearly see, it tried to pull back down, the bears come into being, but again, they failed to bring back the token down to value. But then again, the bulls came back, and you can see this green candle here. This week also the same story. The bears are trying to crash the token. This candle is the clear answer to it. But again, they're kind of struggling to crash this token. That is why bulls are coming in more, and they have started buying after every pullback. And the same story it can be seen repeated on the daily chart, making a good pattern of higher highs, higher lows, which is like over here, which is higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, again higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is a very bullish pattern. So our job is to find an edge and ride the trend, and that can be seen either on the daily chart or on the lower time frame, which is 4 hour or 1 hour chart. I particularly use 1 hour 4 hour chart, but in 4 hour chart there's a very clear pattern that I've also shared with my Telegram community. You can see here the token pumped is now crashing back. These two are the crash lines like this, going up, going down, going up, and then again going down. Now when that happened, many people tried shorting it only to get stopped, because this is what I call as inverse head and shoulder. Let me just draw it for you. This is inverse, this is left shoulder, this is head, and this is big right shoulder. And when you see this pattern, especially on the rising trend, that is very, very, very bullish. And that is where I took my entry. Of course, you can check out it's making high, high, high lows, just like daily. Again, then coming back, crashing, then coming back, crashing again, then again coming up and crashing again, making this pattern a kind of successful inverse head and shoulder pattern. And the outcome of this pattern is definitely bullish. So my entry zone that I took here is at the top of this pattern, which is right over here. When it made a high test around $600, I took an entry anticipating that it will make inverse head and shoulder, and that is what exactly happened. Right now we're sitting at just around $700. So for you to take an entry, try to take it when it crosses or makes $700 a kind of support line, because right now it's struggling to cross beyond $700. Every time it tried, you can see these candles here, it failed to go back up. And same story is repeating right now. It is still struggling, but I believe below $700 is a good entry criteria. I place it early on $600. Now, of course, I'm in profit. My trade goes something like this. From here to here, I have targeted with a stop loss of 540 and of course profit target of $1,000. And if everything goes well, I think it can actually make you good money. So again, the idea is to wait for $700, let it surpass $700, come back up like this and retest it again before going back up. When you do so, when you see this pattern, of course that is the time you start entering into it, and with the stop loss based upon the daily candle, which is the yesterday's candle, and this is stop loss at around 580 or something. Yeah, that can be done. So this is how I'm entering the trade, of course managing on the higher time frame. But the values I put it based upon the daily chart. This is the daily chart, and my stop loss keep on increasing with time. So it started at here, at this, then it will now at this, and now tomorrow if it pumps it will be here. So that is called as trail stop loss. That is what my idea is. So that's for the trade. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you want to know more about this setup, please do remember to join my Telegram, subscribe to my channel, and of course my membership is coming along the way in the Black Friday. So make sure to take note of it, and let's meet tomorrow with a new video. Make money trading cryptos. Thank you.